Welcome back to another episode of the Bright Ideas Daily Nugget. I'm your host, Trent Dyrsmid, and this is the daily video series where I answer your questions about e-commerce, as well as to give you a look over our shoulder as my team and I steadily grow our business towards our goal of $10 million per year. In today's video, we're going to answer a question from Wendy Johnson, and her question is, when a brand thinks the sales on Amazon are insignificant to their business, how do we show them all the other ways their presence on Amazon can help and hurt their brand if a good seller is not working on behalf to protect and represent them on Amazon? So Wendy, that is an excellent question. Thank you very much for submitting it. So the big things that you need to get brands to understand, and make no mistake, they will not understand this if Amazon is a small portion of their sales, is the concept of reverse showrooming. So a brand is in brick and mortar retail. They want to do an end cap on an aisle. They're probably going to be paying a significant amount of money to get that extra shelf space. They may have to contribute additional product. They may have to give additional discounts. The point is it's expensive for them to get the end cap or whatever other special promotion they're doing. So here I am, Mr. Consumer. I'm walking into that store to buy my whatever, and then I see the end cap. And it's a product that, well, I think maybe I might like to have that one, but I've never heard of the brand before. What am I going to do? And my cell phone's sitting over there, so I'm not going to run off camera and pick it up, but I'm going to pick up my cell phone and I'm going to go to Amazon and I'm going to look up that product to do what? See the reviews. Now, here's where it's absolutely critical for the Amazon presence to be effectively managed. One, is the content on Amazon, the current content, the current product shots, the current images, all of the right content? If it's a product that you put in your body, are there any FDA compliance issues? If there are, and if you don't have a good seller partner, this is what you're saying to the brand, of course, then you're exposing yourself to liability, as well as you could be hurting those offline conversions. Because I'll put my consumer hat back on, I'm the guy in the store, I'm looking at my phone, and the reviews suck. Guess what? I'm not buying. Boom, past the end cap, not buying anything. Or the price is way lower on Amazon than it is in the store. Well, maybe I'm going to buy it off of Amazon instead of buying it through the store, which makes stores who adhere to MAP very, very, very unhappy when they see products on Amazon for less than they are on the stores. So I would focus on those three areas, Wendy. Make sure the content is under control. Make sure it's current and consistent. Brand registry is the way to do that. They can designate you as the brand registered seller. Make sure all the negative reviews are replied to. So ideally they become, instead of 1-star reviews, hopefully in a perfect world, 3-star reviews. And I did cover how to do that in another episode with Zoo Nutrition. And that was episode number 20 of the Bright Ideas Daily Nugget. And then finally now, of course, I went down that rabbit hole. I forgot what my third point was. Review content, reviews, and pricing, and make sure that you're helping them to control their MAP on Amazon. And those are all things that we do every single day for all of the brands that we partner with. All right, if you'd like to submit a question of your own, go to brightideas.co/asktrent. If you'd like to become a member of the tribe and get notifications of the content that we produce, go ahead and go back to Bright Ideas and become an email subscriber. Thank you very much for tuning in. Oh, one last thing. If you missed today's webinar, there will be a replay, so make sure that you go ahead and register for it, and then you'll get that email. We'll give you a link to the replay. Take care. Bye.